This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the app and account ready. Open Google Play and install the Apple TV app, then sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, create it now. Make sure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and you have an active Apple TV Plus subscription or rental ready. Once done, grant the app permissions for storage and network so it can cache and stream smoothly. This step avoids playback errors and speeds up the next steps. Now you sign in and configure playback. Tap Sign In, enter your Apple ID credentials, and complete any two-factor prompts. You should use strong Wi-Fi. Once signed in, choose preferred audio and subtitle options and set streaming quality. Higher quality uses more data. If downloading episodes, pick storage location and quality to save space. Make sure you connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Finally, pick a show and press play. Use Resume for partially watched content or download to watch offline. To view on a bigger screen, tap the cast icon and choose a Chromecast device or use your smart TV's Apple TV app when possible. This reduces phone battery use. If playback stutters, restart the app, clear its cache, and verify your subscription and network. If two-factor sign-in fails, check your other devices for the verification code and re-enter it. That usually fixes access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.